Hey guys, welcome to my beauty channel. My name is Damilola. In today's video, I am going to be talking about the active caviar body oil restore skin. So stick around and don't go anywhere at all. So I've been hearing about this particular body oil. People are using it, people are jumping on it, especially TikTokers. Like, oh my god. And sometimes you know that these TikTokers, they want to set their market, so you cannot really know, so I do my own research whenever I'm talking about anything. So I have seen that this particular body oil has like highly active ingredients. Mind you, there is the active caviar lotion, right? That whitening lotion that some people use. And that particular brand, apparently they have a body oil. Not that particular body oil. I'm going to leave a picture here. Not a particular body oil. This particular body oil is what I'm talking about. This one, yeah. This one has some very key ingredients that I think are very, very important when it comes to maintaining your skin barrier, making sure that your skin barrier is in check, it is not damaged. There is collagen peptides, there is vitamin E, there is nothing like hydroquinone or steroids, and the fact that a body oil can actually treat hyperpigmentation, for me it is a go-to and very exceptional. So they have three types. They have the red one, the yellow one, and the green one. If you have used any of these three before, let us know what you think about this particular body oil in the comment below. We are all learning, all right? Now, the red one has ingredients like collagen, ingredients like collagen peptide, ingredients like vitamin E, and one particular natural plant called Kojie. Please, guys, I might not pronounce it correctly. Forgive me, guys. But this particular plant is like a replacement for retinol, which makes it really, really active, I must say, because collagen, on the other hand, helps to boost skin elasticity, right? So as we grow as human beings, we get to age, right? And the idea is to age backward, right? The idea is to age backward. You look really young at 40, at 50. You're looking like you're 20, you were 19, looking so young. That's the idea. That's the real day, right? So if you're looking for a particular ingredient that does that particular thing, it is your collagen. Collagen is definitely your go-to for that. So imbibing that in this particular body oil, I figured, I'm like, okay, this person that literally composed this together has sense. The person has sense. So my point is that this particular body oil is something you can jump into if you're trying to like age backward, you're trying to glow your skin, you're trying to make sure your skin looks really good, and it has vitamin E, which is very, very good when it comes to brightening the skin. It's an antioxidant that actually helps to brighten the skin, and the glow on the skin that it will give to you is amazing. There is no doubt you're going to get the glow from it, which I think is actually really, really cool. So if you want to use this particular body oil, you can use it with your lotion, but please do not mix it with your lotion. Do not mix it. Don't mix products at all. Don't do that. If you're a fan of my channel, I've preached that a lot of time. If you want to use your lotion first, then your body oil second. Use your body oil first, then use your lotion second. So one thing you should not do with this particular body oil is don't go and use one particular bleaching lotion with this particular body oil. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Just use your brightening lotion with this particular body oil, and your skin is in good condition. It is going to breathe really fine. Especially for those that have dry skin, this particular body oil will be your go-to. So they have the yellow one, which has Kojie, which has turmeric, which has hyaluronic acid. Now Kojie they say is brightening, but from the ingredients Kojie, I don't think Kojie is an ingredient for brightening, right? It is not. Kojie is not going to just sit on your skin and brighten up your skin. Kojie will go beyond and above sitting on your skin and just brightening your skin. It is definitely going to target your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, your uneven skin tone, your drama on your skin. When it comes to treating uneven skin tone, Kojie will do that. There's not like vitamin C that is actually still leading. So my point is, you should expect a very good result with this particular lotion, with this particular body oil. So because of the kojic acid in this particular body oil, I would recommend that you pair with a very mild body lotion, like maybe Dove lotion, Olay lotion, Nivea lotion, EOS lotion, especially because of that wants active hydration, extreme glow kind of skin. Imagine you're using EOS plus this kind of body oil. Tell me why your skin will not be, you know what I mean? So you can decide to say, okay, I want to use it with Aqua Rich that's actually very hydrating plus this particular body oil. Please tell me why your skin will not make sense. It has turmeric, it has hyaluronic acid in it. That means the hydration is going to give to you to the fullest. So imagine using Aqua Rich vitamin C that has hyaluronic acid, that has turmeric in it already, plus something like this. Tell me why your skin will not be giving. People be like, oh my god, tell me, what are you using on your skin? What are you using on your skin, Shade? Guys, give me your names at the comment section. Tell me why. Tell me why. So I am recommending that you use a brightening body lotion with this particular body oil. Don't use an extremely lightening lotion with this particular body oil. Don't do that. Don't use a Snapchat lotion with this particular body oil. Don't use an active caviar lotion with this particular body oil. Don't use active drip lotion with this particular body oil. Don't do that. Don't do that. Are we good? Thank you. Now the last one is the green one. That's how I differentiate them with colors. It helps me. It has tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and alpha-butene. If you are a fan of this channel, you are a family, you belong to this zone, we are together, you are with me and with you, you should know what tranexamic acid does to the skin by now. You should know what alpha-butene does to the skin by now. You should know what niacinamide does to the skin by now. But if you are new to this channel, I'ma help you. Tranexamic acid is for hyperpigmentation. It helps to definitely brighten your skin, treat uneven skin tone. When they say extremely deep, tough hyperpigmentation, tranexamic acid is ready to treat it. Without thinking twice, it will do the job for you fine. Alpha-butene is not sleeping. Niacinamide will not treat hyperpigmentation, but definitely it will smoothen your skin, calm your your breakouts out, calm your acne out. It will definitely calm and smoothen your skin and hydrate your skin. So imagine combining alpha-butene with tranexamic acid. Guys, tell me why your skin will not be giving. Those two ingredients, oh my god. So I think this particular green one is like the boss. The green one is the boss because of the ingredients it has. It is the boss. So if I tell you not to use the Kojie one with a whitening lotion, I tell you not to use the red one with a whitening lotion, why do you think that it is right for you to use the green one with a whitening lotion? So if you want to use this particular one, please, you see that ProLab black one, the ProLab black one, I've spoken about the particular lotion a lot of times. Don't use it with this particular lotion. This particular body oil rather. Don't do that. We need something mild. Something mild, guys. Something mild. Any mild brightening lotion that even if it's going to lighten you, just like one shade light. Don't do too much on your skin. You can't be using a whitening lotion with a whitening body oil or a body oil that is being put together to help treat hyperpigmentation. Except if, okay, yes, Damilola, I already have a whitening lotion in my wardrobe. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to throw it away? I don't want you to throw it away. What you can now do is, please, that whitening lotion, just be sure that it doesn't have tretinoin, it doesn't have steroids or hydroquinone in it, because I can't deal with that. Now, if you have a whitening lotion in your closet or a lightening lotion in your closet that has active ingredients like alpha-butene, tranexamic acid, glutathione, kojic acid in it already, what you can now do is that this particular body oil, you have to pick days, maybe like twice in a week at night, or maybe like 3 times in a week at night. Use it as a treatment body oil on your skin. Don't make it an everyday thing. What did I say? Please pay attention. Use it as a treatment body oil. Don't make it an everyday thing. But if you already have a brightening lotion like Dove, Nivea, Olay, EOS, and so on and so forth, or even Aqua Rich, not all the Aqua Riches, by the way, the English makes sense. If you already do that, you can now use the body oil after your lotion. And I think it's even better for you guys to use that body oil at night because of the active ingredient it actually has in it. You can't be using that body oil during the day and you don't use your sunscreen. If you want to use it during the day, use it, but please use your sunscreen. But I would advise that to use it at night. It is better to use at night so you can have a better result on your skin. Use at night. The Kojie one, the yellow one, and the green one, use at night so you can have a better result. The red one can still use it during the day, but you see, the green one and the yellow one, I'm emphatic about it. Use them at night so you can get a better result from it. But in general, please endeavor to use your sunscreen. Okay, are we good to go? Say good to go at the comment section. All right, with that being said, I think I am done for today. Thank you very much, guys. Right now, I want to go and I'm thinking I should go and eat beans, and now the gas is not expensive. Now I'm calculating, guys. We have to be calculating with beans. So, or what do you people think? Anyways, that's by the way. Please don't forget to subscribe to your channel, your baby girl's channel. Like this video, turn on post notification, and please share this video to the world. Please share the video. Don't think too much. Share the video. God will bless you. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.